Hello guys, so I've been using the Tock reservation system for a few months now, and I've gotta say, my experience has been honestly frustrating. Right from the start, I noticed that Tock is supposed to make restaurant bookings easier, but for me, it ended up being anything but. I signed up, added my credit card information, and booked a table at a local spot, thinking it would save me time. Instead, almost immediately, I started getting spam calls and texts, sometimes 10 to 15 a day, and it didn't take long for me to suspect that my information was being shared. It's frustrating when you use a service expecting convenience, but instead, it opens the door to unwanted solicitations. As a Shopify store owner, I understand the importance of maintaining privacy when handling personal information, and this experience made me wish I had just called the restaurant directly. The booking process itself is confusing. I've had multiple times where the app said a time was available, then switched to unavailable just as I was trying to confirm. This inconsistency is a huge problem, especially when you're trying to make a reservation for something important. Once I finally got a slot, there were weird messages about wine pairings and immediate prepayment requirements, sometimes weeks in advance, and no clear way to use gift certificates. This made the process feel unnecessarily complicated. For business owners and consumers alike, a simple and straightforward booking experience should be a top priority. Trying to modify a reservation was a nightmare too. I kept getting error messages, and there was no obvious timeline or service tab to help. I even ended up on the phone with the restaurant multiple times just to make sure my booking was actually confirmed. This back and forth could have been avoided with a more efficient system. Customer service is another weak point. Honestly, it felt like there was none. Reaching someone at Tock was almost impossible, and when I finally did, it took multiple emails over weeks to resolve issues like refunds or billing errors. This is a huge red flag for anyone using a service. Timely customer support is crucial, especially when dealing with payments or reservations. I even had friends report strange charges linked to online gaming companies shortly after using Tock, which was completely unnerving. The thought of being charged for services or products I didn't authorize can really damage trust in any platform. On top of that, the app tries to charge fees for bookings, which makes an already stressful process feel even worse. Extra fees make what should be a simple transaction feel more like a hidden cost, and it just adds to the overall frustration. Now, to be fair, the concept of Tock isn't bad. I can see how a gift card could be convenient, and the system does technically bring all reservations into one place. For someone who likes to have everything in one spot, this could be a good feature, but in reality, the execution is rough. It's slow, confusing, and not reliable for serious planning. The platform struggles to deliver on its promise of streamlining bookings. If you care about actually getting a confirmed reservation without the headache of hidden fees, spam, or technical glitches, I would honestly stick with more established platforms or just call the restaurant directly. Established services typically offer more reliability and smoother user experiences, which is crucial when making time-sensitive bookings. Tock feels like it prioritizes contracts and revenue over making the user experience smooth, and that makes it hard for me to recommend it to anyone. It's clear the service is more focused on its financial agreements than providing a seamless, user-friendly platform. Overall, using Tock has been a lesson in patience and frustration. I was hoping for convenience, but what I got was stress, extra calls, and a lot of wasted time. As a business owner who values efficiency and simplicity, this experience was a reminder of why we should always be cautious when trying new services, especially ones that handle sensitive information. If you're considering it for your restaurant bookings, I'd say think twice and weigh whether the potential convenience is really worth all the hassle. The time spent troubleshooting and the added stress just aren't worth it when there are more reliable and established options out there. It's always a good idea to stick with services that have a proven track record, especially when making reservations that can impact your plans.